Okay, so I went to town and got a new radiator cap. I got new hoses so I could run the heater hoses kind of down and under and out instead of having them run across the top of the motor. I put that GM distributor cap with the coil on it on top of that Chinese distributor. We're going to see if that works. It was much smaller than this big old red one here with the funky thing on top of it. There's other things I want to do, but for right now, since I've changed all the wires into that, I'm just going to see if it'll run on that, and if it will, then I'll come back and I'll do some more things, some more adjustments and all, and then we'll first of all we'll just see if it's still going to crank up and run as is. Cross your fingers. Well, that wasn't good. The accelerator's stuck. Let's see why. Well, it ran. Change this bracket up here. It's not tightening up right. Sounded pretty good though. What else was I about to do? Oh, I noticed the timing barked a little on that last time. So now that I've changed this, I should go back the timing off a hair. Let's see what that does to it. A while ago that was against the firewall and I couldn't turn it. Need to idle that up just a hair, which is easy. You may notice I'm doing one thing after another, like adjustments. Really, that's the way it is if you're working on a hot rod. There's a lot of things to adjust. It's kind of like a banjo. A lot of things to adjust, a lot of things to play with. And I just turned that 1/2 turn. Let's see what that does for it. That feels about right. I'm gonna walk around back, see what it sounds like. I hear a little bit of a exhaust pipe noise. Sounds like something rattling under there. So when I get everything else figured out, I'll go under there and play with that. Bumpity bumpity bump. Potato, 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 potato.